Hi guys, in this video we are going to learn about menus. So what menu is, where it is placed and what difference does it create. So if I go on my website, what is menu is these options. This is menu. Menu is basically used to navigate from one page to another pages of your website that is located in the header part, as I have already told you in website planning. So you can move to different pages of your website through menu, not you exactly, your users basically, so that it is easy to navigate through your website. So it improves the navigation of your website. That is what menu is meant for. Now, how we optimize or how we can make menu and how we can place. It's very simple. For that, you have to go into appearance. Then there is an option called menu. Click on that. And by default, it depends on theme to theme which a menu you will use. Depend upon theme to theme, it can have one option, it can have multiple options for using the menu. Like this page has one menu, this is second, and you might have in the footer as well. So it depends upon the theme. As it is a paid theme, so it has a lot of other options. How to make menu and how to do it, it's very simple. Like let's talk about the primary menu. If you look at over here, this menu I'm talking about: home page, candidate, employers and blog. If you look at here, we have home, pages, candidate. They are in same alignment, that's why they are in top categories. That is home page for candidates, employers and blog. 5, you look at there, 5 options. Like in page we have job page, alternative, resume page, short code, price table and contacts. Similar options you will find: job page, alternative, resume, short codes, price table, contact. Got it? So this is how you have the menu. If you want to add any page into the menu, you just click add to menu, it will be added. Yeah. If you want to put it in some subcategory, just drag it towards your right like this, so it becomes subcategory. If you drag it more, then it becomes subcategory like this. And once you are fine and you want to make display it on the top of your home page or every page of your website, select it as primary and publish. Like in this case, right now we have these options, and we have moved added blog, AdWords fundamental under blog, and employment dashboard under post your job. If we refresh this page, you will see those changes over here. Like we have blog, under that we have AdWords fundamental, and in employer's job we have post job, and then that it is that easy to make your changes in your menu. And if you want to add any other post, you can add it from this particular option of you all select and add to menu. In case you want to add any post, that means your blog, you can add it. Custom link means any link of any other website you want to add it, you can add it. Give the URL of that website and what text you want to show it to your user. WooCommerce, in case you want to add any login logout option, in case you are using this plugin, that you can learn later on. One more thing which is very important, that is to be learned here. If you look at like job page at alternative, if it sounds very big, you do not want to display this content. Although your page name is job page alternative, you do not want to display this title. You can change this title by clicking on this and then change the navigation label. That's all you have to do. Like if I make it job page 2 and then save it, and if I refresh over here, then you see job page 2. The same page, but the name of that page in the menu is just got changed, although the page name is same. That is all about menus. So see you guys in next video where we will learning about widgets.